Working from home has its perks, but it also has its challenges. Let's go over some tips to ensure you excel at working from home. Keeping a normal routine is key to staying productive while working at home. Try to wake up around the same time each morning, get ready for the day, even if you don't plan on leaving, and take normal breaks and a lunch, just like you would in the office. Set up a home office where you can focus on your work, ideally in a place where you won't have interruptions. If you don't have much space, how can you squeeze an inviting workstation into an already tight space? Swap out an end table by the sofa or a nightstand by your bed with a small desk. Remove visible distractions. Only the items necessary for your work should be within arm's reach. Setting boundaries is especially important if you live with other people. Have a conversation with roommates or any other people in your household. Come up with visual cues so they know when it's safe to approach you and when it's absolutely not okay to do so. Make yourself available at the same time as your teammates. This is especially important when working on projects that require collaboration and open lines of communication. Continue your weekly one-to-one check-ins virtually so you feel connected to your colleagues and your shared work. Working remotely, you're going to spend a lot of time on video calls. But video calls can be awkward and inefficient if the participants don't follow some best practices. Calling in a few minutes ahead of time is a good practice, so you're not showing up after things have started. Make sure to mute the microphone when you're not speaking to prevent background noises from coming through. It's not always easy for people on the call to identify you by voice, so be sure to state your name before speaking. Create a space for normal conversation with your teammates, whether it be an informal online chat or a weekly meeting via video call. These conversations can boost camaraderie and even generate great ideas. Perhaps one of the most important things to have is a way for everyone to submit work, receive feedback, and get approvals. Long email chains are not the place for this. Instead, use one of the many task management applications available to track and streamline. Finally, be sure to leave work at the end of the day. Making time to disconnect and rest will lead to greater productivity at work tomorrow.